Peace and love, good people. Peace and love. Let's get right into this 2026 January 2nd trade on the SPY. All right, so if you notice here, I am filling in the gap with the trend line and I'm making it look like a candle. Because when you fill in the gap here, it offers you a little bit more clarity. And if you already have your levels drawn, you can already get some of the 33 to 55% retracement kind of built in to you filling in the gap. So we gapped up at the open from -3 to +1. Shout out to OV. All right, so we're looking here at this candle. Now this white line here is a previous gap resistance level. When the stock was moving up. I'm looking at the 200 period moving average as a level of support here. All right, so we're looking to enter a pinky toe into this trade because it's so early. We are trading the open. All right, my man got on a Christmas hat following the holidays, so let's get into it. Trying to give it a little bit more time. I'm a little premature. Choosing the right option. Going for a call. And a little bit early on the entry. I typically want to wait for about 30 seconds. I think I would have not entered. So I'm not happy with this entry. I was entering it because I thought it was a power bar near the 200. I have a max loss of -30. That, and it's kind of retracing those steps to what I thought it was. So okay, that's why I like to trade the SPY. We have a expiration date of about 4 days away, and it was less than $1 for that entry. So here we are. So we're looking to add. We came down to the resistance level. All right, to the resistance level. So I added on this color change at the 50% retracement level. All right, so I'm gonna fill in the gap here so that you can see what I mean when I say the 50% retracement level. Once I turn this to a green candle, as you can see, the move, it gapped up overnight. So the move up is a green move. Then we started to pull back. And right there at that intersection of the pullback and the gap up, we had a power bar. All right, that power bar, we entered on that power bar. All right, and now we have, it looks to be like a bull flag forming. So because I see the bull flag, I'm a little bit more patient with this candle as it approaches the support level and makes a decision. All right, because we are squeezing to this wedge point where we're either gonna pop up or we're gonna break down. But it's more likely that we're going to move forward. So I'm adding another contract on the color change. As soon as green took out red here, we're bouncing off the 8 EMA. I'm sorry, not the EMA, the simple moving average. All right, and we're pushing through this resistance. All right, now I'm still down, but I'm down 3 contracts and I'm only down $10. All right, I'm only down $10. So here we go, boom. And why I'm only down $10? Because I'm focusing on percentage. All right, so as we move into profitability, now we got 3 contracts. That kind of saved us a bit on our entry, and we continue to push. I'm always looking for 20%. So boom, now we're at 20%. I'm gonna begin to scale out of this position. All right, I'm gonna sell 1 contract at 20%. And this is where I moved a bit too fast. I allowed this trend line to influence me to sell a 2nd contract again as we started to pull back a little bit. And then once this last contract gave me a final push, I went ahead and pulled myself out of this trade. After this final push, I took all the profit. All right, now, so I took profit on all 3 contracts. It was a little early. What I should have done was take profit on that first elephant bar, then take profit on the second one, then take profit on the third one. But now I feel like we've reached resistance. We're far away from the 200, which is far away from the 21. So I'm going to buy a put. I'm anticipating that this green candle turns into a tail bar at resistance and we're going down. And so far, I'm already into profit. I'm already profitable as we start to move back down toward the 200 period moving average. But before we even get to the 200 period moving average, we still have to make contact with the 8 period moving average. All right, the very thin blue line that you see crossing over the 200 period moving average. Don't let that go over your head. All right, now we're continuing to pull back again, 6%. I'm looking for 20%. You know, it's still early. I can do this all day. 20%, 20%, 20%, and just run it up. So that's what we're doing right now. We are just focusing on 20% moves. All right, 20% moves and managing our stop loss. That was a big challenge last year in 2025. 2026, it's lit. It's up. We're not playing with this market. All right, and we're going to manage these losses. All right, we've been defeating ourselves. We have been defeating ourselves with all that hope.